The International Space Station is a marvel of engineering, a testament to human ingenuity and perseverance. It orbits our planet at an average altitude of 400 kilometers, a shining example of international cooperation and scientific advancement. But even this incredible feat of technology faces challenges that test the limits of its design and the resilience of its crew. One persistent problem has been an air leak, a seemingly small issue with potentially serious consequences. The leak originates in the Zvezda service module, a critical component of the station. This module is crucial, as it provides living quarters for the crew, making it an essential part of daily life on the ISS. The leak was first detected in 2019, sparking immediate concern among the mission control teams. It was initially a small leak, barely noticeable but enough to warrant investigation. However, it has worsened over time, becoming a more pressing issue that requires constant monitoring and repair efforts. The leak is a concern for obvious reasons, as maintaining the station's integrity is paramount. A loss of air pressure could be catastrophic for the crew, endangering their lives and the mission. It is vital to find the source of the leak and repair it promptly to ensure the safety and functionality of the station. This leak poses a significant challenge for the ISS program, testing the problem-solving skills of the astronauts and engineers. It is a reminder of the risks inherent in space travel, where even minor issues can escalate into major problems. However, the ISS teams are working diligently to address the issue, showcasing their expertise and dedication. Their efforts demonstrate their unwavering commitment to the safety of the astronauts on board and the success of the mission. NASA, the American Space Agency, has long been a leader in space exploration and research, and Roscosmos, the Russian space agency, has also played a crucial role in space missions. Together, they have been working on the International Space Station, ISS, for many years, fostering international cooperation in space. However, a recent air leak has exposed some underlying tensions between the two agencies. They disagree on the cause of the leak, with each side presenting different theories. This disagreement has led to some friction and heated debates among the teams. Roscosmos has downplayed the severity of the leak in their official statements. They attribute the issue to high cyclic fatigue, a common problem in space structures. This means they believe the leak is due to normal wear and tear over time. NASA, on the other hand, is more concerned about the potential implications. They believe the leak could be a sign of a more serious structural problem that needs immediate attention. Despite their disagreements, NASA and Roscosmos are working together to address the leak. They are sharing data and expertise to find a solution. Both agencies recognize the importance of keeping the ISS operational and safe. The safety of the astronauts aboard the ISS is paramount, and all efforts are being made to ensure their well-being.